I'm delighted to speak to you here today about Camino Waha, and you probably know that you will be either getting the bus at Éanach Waha at 8:30 sharp, or arriving at T Cullen in Mullaban at 9 a.m, where there'll be some registration. Táimid ag dúil go mór agus ní a ginse bréige atá mé ag dúil go mór le Camino Waha mbliana. So what can you expect on the day? Well, after registration on the bus from Éanach Waha or at T Cullen, we'll have a Claxton call, some photographs as we embark on the 26.5 mile trek from Mullaban northwards to Éanach Waha. There will be medics on call throughout the walk. We will have some support from the PSNI Traffic Corps. We'll be stopping at the Light and Easy in Cullyhanna, where there'll be a gazebo and snacks and some top-class traditional Irish music. And then we'll be moving on towards Basil Shields's, where there will also be some extra water and fruit available before we make our final trek down into Armagh City. So I'm speaking to you today from Corkley Road, and it's a good indication of the type of back road we'll be walking on. So some words of advice, not to be condescending, ach le cidiúlat agus le deanú cinse go mé lá ar dói agat. Remember to sip plenty of water as you walk along. Try and get your thoughts into the same rhythm as your feet. Do not rush, and also make sure that you wear comfortable broken in walking shoes or gutties. And also, it's a good idea to apply some Vaseline to areas that might be susceptible to chafing. Also, you can put some plasters on your heel or on the knuckle of your little toes, and that will help. So there will be toilet facilities available at the Light and Easy and also at Basil Shields, but we'll also have at least 2 portaloos. You can place some of your stuff in the bus that will be accompanying us all day. So, a cháirde, this is my Camino uniform. This is the Bible for the day. We'll be thinking about our mythological tales. We'll be thinking of Maha, for example, who has inspired the new Irish Language Centre, an art centre in Armagh City, and also as goddess of the land, goddess of sovereignty, goddess of fertility. We'll be thinking about our beautiful environment and thinking about what we can do to protect it and leave no trace. This a cháirde is the all-new medallion that you will receive if you complete Camino Waha, provided by Armagh Sports, Gurachéad Maigat, Sheena agus Dermot. So we'll be starting, as I say, at 9:30 a.m. in the morning at T Cullen, and you know, we will be taking our time. If you're racing, you will not be entering into the spirit of Camino Waha. And also, we expect to end up at Éanach Waha for the Heroes Feast, Fiesta na Lake, in and around 7 p.m. and that will be provided by the Spice Lounge, Indian cuisine. So it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful day. Most of all, enjoy yourself at Camino Waha. Táimid dúil go mór le Camino Waha, and there will be nobody more special than you as a Camino walker.